Hey y'all, today I have another quick and easy recipe for you. We're doing shrimp, sausage, and peppers. So we got our shrimp nice and clean, dried off. I'm going to just go in with some Old Bay and some of this garlic and parsley seasoning that I have. Y'all see that camera quality? Okay, come on. Once we get this all seasoned up and nicely mixed together, I'm going to go in with my pepper and onion blend. I am a pepper and onion lover. It enhances any recipe in my opinion. So I'm going to add the entire bag. However, you add as much as you like. After we get it all mixed up, cover it with some foil and just let it chill until we get everything else ready. We're going to chop these sausages up. I prefer to use the little disc method, or you can dice them, you can cut them up however you like. I like to cut them up like this to make nice bite-sized pieces. I am using beef sausage, but you can use turkey. I've tried turkey sausage. It's my opinion, the beef is better because it's a little greasier. So yeah, that's why I choose beef. And then we're just gonna get these nice and browned up, and then we're gonna continue on. This recipe is so easy. Thank y'all for clicking on the video, taking time out of your day to watch. I hope you all are learning from these recipes that I'm posting because they are very quick and easy. You can't say I don't be putting you on. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and a like for your girl because it's free. And thanks for watching, y'all. Here you see I'm going to add some minced garlic, not too much, just a little squirt. Yeah, that's it. Because really the peppers and the onions is going to be the flavor for this. After we get them nice and brown, we're going to go ahead with our shrimp, onion, and pepper mixture and then just cook that nicely together. Once we get our peppers and stuff all mixed together, we're going to cut our heat on medium high and we're going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. It does not take long. The shrimp, you don't want to overcook them. And then we still have to come in with our tomato sauce. So we don't want to overcook our shrimp. I am going to be using traditional ragu sauce. I'm going to add half of this jar. Normally I would add a little squirt of tomato paste just to enhance that tomato flavor, but I don't have any. So the tomato sauce, the traditional traditional ragu sauce is going to work just as fine. We're going to stir this up and then cover it. Reduce our heat down to medium and then let it simmer for 15 minutes. Not even 15 minutes, probably 8 minutes. Because it's not going to take long just to get the tomato flavor into the shrimp and sausage and peppers. So you don't even have to. I do about 10 minutes. I'll say 10. Yeah, and then that's going to be it for this. And there you have it. I just put it over some white rice. I made some corn on the cob on the side, and this was dinner. The kids loved it per usual. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure you hit a like for your girl because it's free, and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching. Bye.